In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to speak about the picture. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
A woman is pointing at a paper on the table. Laptops at the table. I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. Two people working together. Focused and professional. A woman is pointing at a paper on the table. I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. Two people working together. Focused and professional. A woman is pointing at a paper on the table. Laptops at the table.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Coworkers having a meeting. People working together. Not focused and professional. A woman is pointing at a paper on the table. I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. The picture shows people working together. Not focused and professional. In a conference room. A woman is pointing at a paper on the table. I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. The picture shows people working together. Not focused and professional. In a conference room.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that a health magazine is writing an article about your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about healthy eating. How often do you prepare healthy meals? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually search online first and then practice by myself. I like learning online because I prefer using websites and mobile apps. When I learn things, I usually search.
Where do you usually eat healthy food? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually search online first and then practice by myself. I like learning because I prefer using websites and mobile apps. When I learn things, I usually search online first and then practice by myself.
Which of the following is most effective for maintaining a healthy diet, meal planning, or eating out? Why? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually search online first and then practice by myself. I like learning because I prefer using websites and mobile apps. When I learn things, I usually search online first and then practice by myself. I like learning because I prefer using websites and mobile apps. When I learn things, I usually search online first and then practice by myself. I like learning because I prefer using websites.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 15 seconds to respond to question 8 and 9. You will hear question 10 2 times. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Hi, I'm calling because I have some questions about the Riverbend Arts November workshop schedule. Begin preparing now. On what date will the collage and mixed media workshop take place? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. I think I remember that the intro to printmaking workshop is scheduled for November 3rd. Is this correct? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. I'm not usually available until after 5 p.m. Could you give me all the details about workshops that fit my schedule? Now listen again. I'm not usually available until after 5 p.m. Could you give me all the details about workshops that fit my schedule? Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak. Which do you think is better, shopping online or shopping in physical stores, and why? Give reasons or examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.